Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is from the SQL 50 set of questions, and it is this question here, invalid tweets. So I'm just going to read out the spec here. So we've got a table called tweets, and it has two columns, tweet ID and content. Tweet ID is an integer and content is a varchar. Tweet ID is the primary key for the table, and the table contains all tweets in a social media app. And here we want to write a solution to find the IDs of all invalid tweets. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in content and the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. Return the result table in any order. So here you can see tweet with tweet ID 2 has length 32, therefore it is an invalid tweet, so we return its ID. Tweet 1 has a length of 14, so it is a valid tweet, so we do not return its ID. So, in our select clause, we're going to be selecting the tweet ID, so tweet underscore ID, and it's going to be from this table here, tweets. And our where clause is going to be where the length of content, and it says strictly greater, so not greater than or equal to, just strictly greater than 15. So if I hit this run code, hopefully that works. Okay, so accepted. Let's hit submit and hope that that works. Perfect. So that ran, and all the test cases passed. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.